TikTok, it actually formed a very important role in spread of emojis in social media communication. They are being studied seriously these days as a future replacement of word-based writing system. So that's why linguists have started in taking interest in them, and they have given them a serious attention. Even cognitive linguists are those who say that we speak language which has direct relationship with our conceptual system. So their focus is relationship between language and our conceptual system. So whatever we see, we do in life, it becomes a concept that is stored in our mind. Then related concepts are connected, they form a domain, then domains are connected, and the network of these domains is called conceptual system. So whenever we talk, so this conceptual system is operative, and with the help of that, we understand others and we produce language ourselves. Okay, this is the system. So this is their focus. So these cognitive linguists, they have also given serious attention to the study of emojis. Even a sub-branch of linguistics has emerged that is called emoji linguistics. They are popular among Generation Z or Generation Z. This is a kind of classification of young generation according to their dates of birth. So those people who are born between 1990s and 2010s, so we call them Generation Z and Z. And what's the latest name for those people who are born after this? This is still unknown. Okay, Generation Z uses more. Emojis are their favorite way of social communication. Color of emojis matters as much as their shape. Color is very important. It conveys emotional and cultural meanings. So we cannot make a blind use of emojis. Red heart is romantic love and is forbidden in some cultures. Instead, blue heart is fine there. And these days, Ukraine and Russia, they are in war with each other. And Ukraine's flag has two colors, two bands. One is blue and the other is yellow. So these days, if someone uses blue and yellow heart, so it shows support of Ukraine. A red rose in Chinese means respect, but in many cultures, including ours, Pakistani culture, it means romance. The use of emojis is very sensitive culturally. Some important factors which matter in their use, they are: number one, gender. Who is your interlocutor? With whom are you talking? That person is man or woman, girl or boy. And then the kind of personality. And then that person is a political personality, religious personality, etc. Then age. And you are talking with children, with adolescents, etc. Then intimacy. This is important. So how much intimate relation you have with your communicant, with your interlocutor. So we conclude from this use of emoji that use of emojis is not as simple as we think. We have to take in mind so many cultural and social factors while using them and choosing them for communication.